Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to increase print quality in Bambu Studio. So when we print curved or sloped objects, the printer usually creates a stair-step look instead of lowering the layer height for the entire print, which multiplies print time. Use the variable layer height tool. So click on your model on the build plate, just like that. Now click the variable layer height icon in the top toolbar. It looks like a stack of horizontal lines, this one right here, and click the adaptive button in the floating window. So we have adaptive button right here. The software will automatically apply micro thin layers to smooth out curves while keeping flat walls thick to save time. So you can also see that here the colors changed. Now, by default, some profiles use the Classic engine to calculate walls. Classic uses a rigid fixed lines thickness. So go to the Quality tab on the left panel. So Quality right here, tab, yes, we see. Locate the wall generated dropdown. So we need to get this one like that. So if you don't see it right now, right here, what we need to do is activate the advanced mode. So you will see this advanced mode right here at the top. Here process global, and right here is advanced. And now you see that we have more options that you can see. And now you can see here the wall generator drop down right here if you scroll down a little bit, and we can change now from classic to around this one right here. This will allow the printer to actively change its line width on the fly. So now what we are going to do is Bambu printers achieve their speed by flying around outer perimeters at 200 millimeters by second or higher. So this speed can cause minor vibration or ghosting rings around holes and corners. So what we are going to do, click on speed tab on the left panel. So we have now options speed. Find the box next to outer wall. So we need to find outer wall right here and lower this value to 60 to 80 or 80. Slowing down the outermost skin line gives the plastic plenty of time to cool perfectly smooth, drastically reduce surface artifacts. Now every 3D printer uh, printed layer has to start and stop somewhere, which creates a vertical line of tiny dots called a seam. So go to the Quality tab and then scroll down to Seam Position. So we need to Seam Position right here and change it from aligned to nearest or back. This forces the printer to hide the start-stop points inside sharp corners or on the back side of the model where nobody will see them. You can use seam painting brush on the top toolbar to manually draw the hidden line down the back of your object. But yeah, right here at the top. But I think it's the easiest way to just use these options here. And yeah, what else we can do is scroll all the way down also to enable ironing. So where it is, we just need to find that. We have ironing type and change ironing type drop down to all top surfaces. So we can change here to all solid topmost surfaces or like that. And this is basically it, how to increase print quality in Bambu Studio. You can play with those settings a little bit and you will see what works for you. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.